How about a sentence?
I like mustard.
Mustard?
Yeah.
All right. Drut some kial ya.
I like mustard.
That sounds like demons.
Just pick a word and I'll say it backwards.
Didgeridoo.
All right. Didgeridoo. Wood irrigid.
Didgeridoo.
How
That
about,
was cool.
how about a sentence?
Okay. We're gonna plot. One sec.
All right.
I don't know how to play the didgeridoo.
Okay. Wood irrigid of Yelp. Oot wach. Won to node ya.
I don't understand. How to play the didgeridoo.
God dang it. Nice. Holy.
That was awesome.
It's actually from Dr. Seuss. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter. Those who matter don't mind.
Oh, I've heard that one before. Okay. Be who you are and say what you feel. Because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. I'll see if I can do
Yes.
it. Dinyaim, Tnod, Retam, Uch, Zod, Dina, Retam, Tnod, Dinaim, Uch, Zod, Zakib, Leaf, we, Tau, yes, Dana, Ra, we, Ib. Let's see what it is.
Me, who you are, and say what you feel. Because those who not don't master and those who master don't mind.
Wow. Okay. That is so cool.
Pick a word and I'll say it backwards.
Oh, yeah? Oh, let me pick. No, he's got it. You better pick a fucking long word. Mesomorphic.
Kefron
No.
was them.
Mesomorphic.
Dude, no! You got hold up. You got that special form of autism, bro.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
awesome.
yeah. I could do a
That
sentence
is
too if you have a sentence.
My orange 4-inch door hinge.
My orange.
4-inch door hinge.
Oh, 4-inch door hinge. Did you say my orange 4-inch door? Okay, all right. My orange 4-inch door hinge. Jnechrod. Chnerof. General. Yam.
My orange orange door hinge.
Dude, that's actually crazy, bro. That's actually so cool.
The Irx bus hubs right.